Can you put an HD video onto a floppy disk? Let's find out. I have a pre-made video here that I'm going to copy to my floppy disk. I had to keep editing it until I got it to 1.19 megabytes. See, I'm going to show you here. See, it's a floppy disk, no tricks. 1.38 megabytes. I'm going to take my video clip and drag it to the floppy disk and see if I can copy it. Might take a while because I'm pretty much going to use up the whole disk with this one file. It's actually going faster than I thought, 20% already. Look at the speed. Not even 100 kilobytes a second. Wow. Technology's really improved since everybody had to use floppy disks to put backups on, or just to transfer a file from one computer to another. Looks like it was successful. Let's open it up. There it is. Floppy disk test final is what I called it. See if I can show you the details. Okay, here we go. You can see it's 1440 by 1080. It's 1080 HD video. It's not 4K or anything special, but it's still full HD, they call it. But what's funny is, you look, it could only hold 1 second of HD video. But it can still hold HD video, which is pretty cool. It might actually be able to get a little more than a second. Maybe a second and a quarter onto a floppy disk. Let's see if it'll play. You can see it works, but it's only a second. Like I said, still pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.